What's up, guys? Welcome to your 189th Android tutorial for the new Boston. What we're going to do in this tutorial, we're basically going to learn about the status bar and how to update it. If you guys have a Droid phone, when you get a text message, you get a little image of a message and then like a little text. You can pull this down, see your notifications, click on it, it does something. This is basically the finished application. Pretty simple looking. We just hit a button and it displays like a lightning bolt, says "What's up, gangsters?" We click on our notification, or actually we're going to go out of our activity, scroll down, and as you can see, it has a title. It says "What's up?" and it says "What's up, gangsters?" Click on that. It opens back up this activity that we were just in, and clears our notification. So that's pretty much what we're going to do. It's probably going to take 2 tutorials, maybe 3. But what I want you guys to do is create a drawable resource or a PNG that is 24 pixels by 24 pixels. This is just going to be your icon. It's supposed to be a lightning bolt, but I have no chance of being an artist ever. So yeah, just create something that's 24 pixels by 24 pixels, save it in your drawable folder, and we're going to get going here. So what we're also going to need is a new class called status bar and a new layout that's just going to be one button called status bar as well. So there we go. Again, it's just going to extends activity, implements on click listener, set up your button, set up your on click listener, and we're good to go. The first thing that we're going to need is a notification manager. It's going to kind of manage all of our notifications. You're going to clear specific notifications. Going to add that notification to our title or status bar. So that's what we're going to set up here for a whole class to use. We're going to call this notification manager. And we're just going to call this NM, and again add our imports, and let's set this up. What this notification manager is again going to do, just allow us to access that status bar and clear the notification and update it. So what we're going to do is we're going to say NM is equal to, again, notification manager, and we're just going to say get system service, and we're going to pass in notification service. So there we go. We basically set up our notification manager and all that good stuff. And now what we're going to do is we're again going to allow a pending intent, because once we add the notification to our taskbar, there's an intent that's waiting to happen, because it's going to launch our activity and it's just chilling there. It's like, hey guys, I'm an intent and I'm just hanging out, so whenever you guys need me, just hit me up, and we'll do that. So that's basically the pending intent. We worked with that with widgets as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a pending intent. I'm just going to call this PI. We're going to set this equal to pending intent class dot get activity. For the context, we're going to say this. For the request code, we're going to say 0. For the intent, let's set up a new intent up here called intent, so we don't have to change anything. Again, we're just going to refer to the class that it opens, so we're going to just say this is equal to new intent, and then the package name, we're going to say this, and the class name, so we're going to say status bar dot class. And if you guys want to change which class it opens, you can do that there. So that's the intent that we're having. For the flags, we're just going to set this equal to 0, and that's probably going to be the quick introduction for this. Like I said, it might take 1 more tutorial or 2 more, not for sure, depending on how elaborate I want to get into this. But I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial, and again, just hopefully you guys understand kind of what the application is going to do, so we don't get too lost. It's not going to be too lengthy or hard or difficult or anything, but I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial, and have a good one. See you later.